that I just covered on lq1-2. Blood flow is very low in the capillaries, primarily because of what? Because of a what?
Large cross-sectional area.
Large total cross-sectional area is free. Compared to her female counterpart, the average female between the ages of 15 to 35 has about how many RBCs per her? 0.5. Very 0.5 million. Don't forget that million part. Erythrocytes do they have a nucleus or not?
No.
No nucleus? And their shape is considered to be what? Louder? Biconcave. I'm having problems. Now that I've got this thing down here, I can't convince it to come back up to the real world. Which means somebody on tomorrow morning really might be yelled at me. Okay. The most important blood vessels from a physiological point of view.
Capillaries.
Because the reason why they are important.
The transfer of the gases and the nutrients.
Because of the gaseous and food exchange. I think that might be on slide number 7, but I'm guessing.
Can you repeat that one, please, sir?
I'm sorry?
Can you repeat that one, please?
The most important blood vessels from a physiological point of view standpoint are the what?
Capillaries.
Because of the
Gases
and food exchange. I think that's on slide number 7. I know I do mumble. The advantage of having these great senior moments. Hemoglobin is a pigment in the blood cells which transports what?
Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
And what happens when it loses its oxygen to the body cell? Remember the pulse oximeter? It what? Why does the pulse oximeters work? Because they are measuring
Oxygen.
the color changes in the
they're
capillaries.
measuring the color changes. Very good. Now, color changes are due because of the oxygen. They're not directly measuring the oxygen. They are indirectly, because there's a relationship between the color, am I making sense, and that oxygen. What's the lifespan of the red blood cell?
120 days.
120 days.
And the reason for it is, what's 120 days?
No nucleus.
120 days. 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 120
Red blood cell formation is under the control of
And now the
which stands for who?
erythropoietin.
Produced by
Kidney.
kidney. And the trigger, the stimulus for its production is hypoxia. Hemoglobin is composed of a molecule of blank and blank. What? Hemoglobin. Or no hemoglobin is transformed into what?
Bio.
What are the four factors in the association and dissociation of oxygen with hemoglobin?
Oxygen, pressure, pH, temperature, and the last thing, the organic molecule. With the reading on
2,
it.
3.
BP something.
BPG.
Anemia is a condition characterized by the reduced number of
Red blood.
red blood cells below normal. Reduce what molecule? Hemoglobin. Or a deficiency in oxygen transport. Or the failure for your GI tract to absorb iron. And how many questions did I just go over with you just now?
I think 11, I think.
Nine?
Nine?
I count 10.
And how many did you count?
11.
I'm counting 11.
I have 11.
11.
So, for some of you can count better than others. Now, let me play with this, figure out what in the world I've done.
Oh.